Hi, I'm called Innocent Chidi from Cameroon. I work as an assistant purchase manager in a steel plant. I am a student of Podium Dynamics Academy, an aspirational motivational speaker. And today I'll be speaking on a topic I caption Life of No Limits. 2013, that's 8 years back, just after I graduated from National Polytechnic Bamenda as an ICT engineer, my next option was to look for a job or travel abroad and secure a life. And the question, how can I live a life worth living? What is the meaning of life in its truest sense kept bothering me. It was a stone in my heart and a thorn in my flesh. And when I see people just living, I get embittered because I have the conviction that there is a better way of living which makes life enjoyable, which makes life enviable, and which makes life peaceful. And as a result of this, I went into a venturesome and exhaustive search, consulting books, blogs, and magazines in search of how to live, And I came out with four unequivocal principles which gave me a clear vision of how to live a life of no limits. And it has been adding color to my life. And that's what I'm about to share with us. Number one is to be happy. Every day I make up my mind to be happy because when I'm happy, my mind is refreshed and produce thoughts which makes life productive. So many people make the mistake of thinking happiness comes from external circumstances, but happiness is a personal decision. It's a matter of choice. We choose to be happy. Number two is to be contented. For us to live a peaceful life, we must be contented with what we have. We get frustrated by thinking what we have is not enough. But the issue is what we have is enough if only we can manage it well. And the third principle is personal development. Les Brown, a great motivational speaker, once said, "A tree can only be a tree, a dog can only be a dog. Only human beings have unlimited potential." And because of this, I sign up in various learning platforms like Podium Dynamics Academy, Toastmasters, Speakers Corner in order to develop myself and live the best version of myself. And the fourth principle is impact. Now, can I ask us a question? How are we impacting our space? How are we impacting our environment? What are we passionate about? What is this one thing in our hearts of hearts that we want to do, that is burning inside of us? Let's discover it and use it to impact destinies. Use it to touch lives and use it to impact our space. Abraham Lincoln, one-time president of America, a great orator of his time, once said, "It is not the years that counts, it is the life you live in those years that counts." This simply means life is how well we live. The reason why we live in misery, in agony, is because we have not taken the time to learn how to live. Jim Rohn, a great motivational speaker, also a business philosopher, an entrepreneur, he said, if you want to be healthy, study health. If you want to be happy, study. If you want to be wealthy, study wealth. And if you want to be happy, study happiness. This simply means if we want to live, then let's study life. These 4 principles, if we apply them, I bet us we won't have any reason to regret in life, and we'll actually be happy that we live. William Shakespeare, a great poet, in one of his poems, he said, "Before you die, live." These 4 principles: to be happy, to be contented, to develop ourselves, and to live a life of impact, are the bedrocks for us to live a life of no limits. Thank you very much, and God bless you.